Namar bajur ke jingpyrshah na kaliang Deputy Commissioner ke East Khas Hills. Ulah habban weng no ya ke jing penjari kendon shispa sapusau CrPC da ka bapen kela ya ke kendon san jong ka CrPC ka bakhang persha ban yaj procession ne rally jingjom ha ka singi nyo vote jong ka election Lok Sabha ka ban long ha ka sau tarik jeliu. Haba keren syakilat pathai kubor ha ka lai pui tarik jemang. DC ka East Khas Hills USC Sadhu ubadairu returning officer ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat Ula ong bakila penlong ya ke jingyamir jingmut bat ki sengsan perthai kumjuk bat ke senjuk ki nong sen syar shnong ki balapan pau ya ke jingbom sngau yahap ban pentre kam salon sar ya ka kendon shispa saupusau CrPC ha barok kawe ke district na kaliang udisi ula ong bamenta kani ka kendon shispa saupusau CrPC kan tre kam tang hapo ka jaka nyovot bat om shabar nalor kata ula ong ngilab tha ru ya ki sengsan perthai bakin pha da ka jingtho Hakabai de bat kilinti surok ki bakitmu banyaj pajba bat hakaju kapor ban pentikna ru bakim dei ban penmi ya kanu ko huri hura hakane ke jing penlong ya ki jingya rally hakaju kapor na kaliang udisi ula kunturu ya ki pajba jong ka district ki sengsan perthai bakin ya trilang bat ki bor penyaj district na kabenta ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan Uni ukli ka district ula pentip ru bakila pen klan syuk ya ki bor pahra kenang baka jingyaw ya ki vote kan long ka bayai be ya renti habakali na kaliang udisi ula ong babarok ki parti san perthai ki balawan ya shibenta sha ka jingalang kila penti kena ban shim ya barok ki sinjam ban penne ya ka suk ka san haba pen long ya ki ne ki jingai rally
So in fact today we had consultative meetings with the representatives of the political parties and the contesting candidates and even the representatives of the traditional heads. They have also came and expressed their concerns with regard to this imposition of 144, particularly at point number 5 of 144 restricting the processions and rallies across the East Khas district. So we have taken note of their concerns, and because in the last 2 or 3 days also this is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and when they organize any victory processions to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that this after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. But at the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt accordingly. Otherwise, that particular point will be relaxed. That counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Khas district, will be revoked, and all other points will remain the same. So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire polo area, as we know that it is as per the protocol that law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CRPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by in fact closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process. Yes, in fact, they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.